again. So this is my hair after I washed it with only conditioner. I didn't use shampoo, I just used a conditioner this time, so you know, to clean the scent of the beard. You know, while I was washing my hair under the water, I felt it's a little bit silky than usual, more silky than usual, and this is kind of strange for me now because my hair is, you know, exhausted and damaged, and I didn't feel this sensation like a lot. So actually this makes me so happy feeling this sensation. And yeah, it's, you know, I didn't use any hair mask or anything over my hair as you just saw before in the video. And this is my hair. It's like it's really nice. The sensation is really nice, and it's completely out of the scent of the beard. I can't smell the beard at all. Maybe that's because I just wash it with conditioner, but while I'm just washing it, only water still having the scent in it. So yeah, I wanted to show you my hair while it's, you know, down. Now I will let my hair dry and style it, and I will come back later. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I am back, and this is my hair after I style it. I didn't add any kind of product at all. This time I just add a heat protector, of course, because I'm gonna use heat on my hair, so I use my heat protection and nothing else. Nothing else. And this is my hair without any kind of product that I always use. I always use that many things actually that I use every time, like L'Oreal Elvive, and you know, Tresemme Split Remedy, and what else, sometimes I use Schwarzkopf Zero Protection or Zero Frizz, sorry, and Tresemme Heat Protector, and sometimes I use the Avon like straightener. Yeah, I use a lot of product actually every time. And sometimes I'm using a little bit of Usi 3-Minute Miracle over my ends, especially my ends, to make it more softer and, you know, looks more healthier. But now I didn't add anything on my hair, and this is my hair just after I wash it with the peer, and oh my god, I'm so impressed because, you know, from a long time, because of the hair dye, I began to feel my hair, especially the ends, like plastic hair. I can't even describe it, but it feels like a plastic hair, not like a natural hair. And this feeling from hair dye really makes me so annoyed because, you know, it's not like the live hair. Like this part here, it's a live part because this part is completely new hair, and yeah, I can feel my hair, but here usually I don't feel it's my hair. I feel like it's extension, a plastic extension. It doesn't make any sense. But today I feel that I have a little bit of hair, like I feel like it's my hair, you know, it's a completely different feeling, and I love it because I don't have any kind of product, and it looks so amazing, like so soft too. Yeah, so I'm so happy with these results. Yeah, I will try it again, and you know, I didn't use the whole bottle. I still have like a half of it in this sprayer, so I will keep it in my fridge because, you know, it's a food, so you don't have to leave it out of the fridge. I really feel that my hair is more shiny than I used to have. Actually, having a shiny hair without any kind of product but just the heat protection is like amazing thing, because I always have a dull hair without any kind of product over it. So yeah, I guess my hair is happy, so that's why it's shiny, and I feel it's so silky and sweet. And when I let it dry, it feels a little bit crunchy and like dry a little bit, like having like a weird sensation with a little air dry, but at the end, before I just begin to straight it, and during the process of styling, I began to feel my hair so amazing, and yeah, I really like my hair that way. I'm so glad that I tried this experiment. Yeah. So yeah, I give this remedy a thumb up, and yeah, I will use it again, and I'm so happy with the results, and I really recommend this thing to try. You will be so happy with the result, but don't use it too much, okay? So yeah, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All these links will be in the description box down below, and see you soon in the next video. Love you. Bye.